peaches, 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 I love you.
Why is this so difficult? Okay, hold on. New plan. Over the clip. Yeah. If there's a will, there's a freaking way. I'm just going in with primer. I've already moisturized my face. And this is the Prom Collagen from Toy Factory. It's pink, which is also very in theme. And it smells like cotton candy and marshmallows almost. The Super Mario Brothers movie is coming out. If you guys haven't seen the trailer, go watch the trailer. I'm really interested in seeing it. I haven't seen it yet, but I thought Princess Peach was a perfect opportunity for moi to do something pink themed, cosplay, like different character vibes. Did you guys play Super Mario Brothers as kids, or did you come into it in adulthood, or have you never played it at all? Because I wasn't a big video games kid. I know I was more into like outside adventures rather than video games, but the video games that I did play were Guitar Hero and Mario Kart. Oh, for sure. Mario Kart is so fun. If you guys haven't played that, you definitely should play it. It's a classic. But I'm curious how your experience with video games was as a kid, because I feel like everyone's is different. Whether you played them all the time or you came into it in adulthood, whatever it may be, I feel like everybody's story is different. So let me know in the comments down below what your experience with video games is. But my friends are actually going to see the movie tonight. I really want to see it myself. It looks really good, and like I love how they present Peach in the movie from the trailers. Like, she seems so badass. I just really enjoy a strong female lead character. She looks pretty good while she does it too. That'd be me. I feel like if I was in a movie, I'd be like Princess Peach, probably. Hopefully. Am I gassing myself up? Whatever. You should gas yourself up. And I'm really going to do some pretty basic like face makeup and such. I'm just going to do my eye makeup to make my eyes look super big. So we're going to put some white under our eyes and make a shadow to make my eyes look even bigger than they are. Because Princess Peach doesn't have a lot of like eye makeup on or anything, or color or anything like that, but she does have these big beautiful blue eyes that I do not have. So we're gonna make them bigger, and I don't have contacts, but maybe I can edit it in. Oh my god, what was your guys' favorite racetrack in Mario Kart? I mean, I feel like the classic is the Rainbow Bridge. I don't know what the name of it was. You're like an OG if you know all the names, but I have no idea what the name of it actually is. But that was definitely my favorite. I mean, I feel like that's a lot of people's favorite because it was so memorable. I remember those freaking racetracks being so difficult. I think I want another layer of foundation because I want really clean, silky skin like Princess Peach has. So I'm just going to go over my cheeks where I have my problem areas. And I'm going in with the It CC Plus Illumination SPF 50. This one. Never been good with names, y'all. So I kind of want a like intense contour, so I'm going to go in with some liquid first and then go in with powder on top just to reinstate that color and build that color up more than you can get with just a powder.
Peach, you're so cool, and with my star we're gonna rule. Peach, understand, I'm gonna love.
Y'all, you cannot laugh at me whenever you see my crown. Your girl likes to DIY things I'm a cheapskate. I don't like to spend money, especially on one-time purpose things. That irks my last nerve. It drives me nuts. So, you know, with me being like doing cosplay-ish kind of costumes, I make a lot of my stuff. Let's just say my go-to is aluminum foil for making things. Or clay if I plan ahead, but I did not. And I ran out of aluminum foil, but I had some brownies that were covered with it. So I used the brownie top to make my crown, and you know, my paint wasn't staying on the aluminum, so I ended up throwing glitter on it, and then it got really messy, and then I had some jewels, and I used eyelash glue to glue them on. Let's just say it's definitely a artist touch crown. Like, I don't know a better word for it. It's very creative. Just don't laugh at me, okay? That's all I'm asking. I feel like I have a hair on my lip. Bugging me! Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my powder bronzer slash contour. This part's boring. I feel like you guys have seen this a million bajillion times. I might skip over most of this and zoom through it because my base routine stays pretty much the same for the most part. I mean, I change products sometimes, but that doesn't change the overall appearance too much. So if you guys are not interested in seeing the basic stuff that I do in every video, then please comment down below and let me know, because I won't include that anymore. I mean, that's less editing for me too, girl. Like, hey. But no, if you guys are over this and it's making you click off, then let me know down below and I will stop including it, because I don't know how much information and like details you guys want with the makeup looks. So just let me know. Let me know what you prefer and what kind of vibe you like in the videos. Do you like the more aesthetic videos, or the like real ones where we sit down and talk and like have it's less edited, less cuts? Like, do you like those kind of videos? I'm thinking about doing some food videos. I think that'd be really fun. So I've got a lot of ideas up in this noggin. So if you want to hear some or drop of yours some down below, it would be much appreciated, because I would love to talk to you guys and make some creative friends. I still feel this hair. I swear it's there, but I can't see it. I don't know, I'm tripping. Alright, blush. I'm gonna zoom through the blush. I never do blush on my cheeks, but Princess Peach needs it, okay? So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of light pink and light brown eyeshadow, kind of a taupey color, just because I can't leave my eyelids blank. It's just too much, you know, too much to ask. So I'm going to apply a little color for Miss Peach, but I have this beautiful new Tarte palette. It is Sunrise, and I think it's the perfect little peachy, cute tone, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. I'm just going in with Delight, all in my crease, buffing that out. I want to keep it pretty rounded though. Yet again, we're trying to make our eyes look bigger, so smoking it out this way will make them look longer and elongated. So we're going upwards. Think of like your eyes as a big circle, continuing, and you'll just follow that shape. Alright, and the most important part for the under eyes is we're going to create, so you see where that line is, right where your crease under your eye is? We're going to go underneath that line and put our darker shadow, and then above that line we're going to add white, so it makes it look like your eyes are extended down and makes them look bigger. I'm going to go in with a smaller pointed brush and kind of define that. And now I'm going to go in with a pink shimmery shade.
This one.
Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with that white and add it under my eyes. I'm just taking some white paint, loading that on a very pointed round brush. I don't know what this is called. And then I'm going right above that crease line.
This one is for my one and only true love, Princess Peach. Peach, you're so cool.
And it will look crazy at first, but once you add lashes, it'll all come together. Alright, now I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. black liquid liner on my top eyelids. And then I'm going to use the Kat Von D pencil eyeliner on the bottom. And I'm not doing too much with my wings because she doesn't really have a full wing actually. And then I'm going to keep it on the outer corner and not go all the way in just to make her eyes look even bigger. That's that for the top liner, and now I'm going to go in with my pencil, do a little bit of liner under that white line, and then smoke it out a little bit with some black shadow. Or brown if you don't want it as intense.
This one is for my one and only true love, Princess Peach.
Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to put a little bit of eyebrow gel in my brows. I'm not going to fill them in or anything.
And with my star, we're gonna rule. Peach, understand.
Well, that's it for brows. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw some lashes on. And then we'll move on to the lips. So I feel like Princess Peach's eyelashes are pretty iconic. Even though she doesn't have any eyeshadow, the girl knows how to wear a good lash. So I respect her for it. We all know I love a good lash. And I love a good lash, but now, as an adult, I have become allergic to lash glue. So, alright, let's apply this lash.
Peach, you're so cool. And with my star, we're gonna rule. Peach.
I'm going to go in with a neutral liner just to map out where I want those lines and how small I want them to be. But first, the key to Peach's lips is you need to conceal the corners of your lips because she has very pouty, like, just small little lips.
Peach, understand. I'm gonna love you till the very end. Peaches, 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 I love you. Mario, Luigi, and a Donkey Kong too. 1,000 troops of Koopas couldn't keep me from you. Princess Peach at the end of the line.
Now that I have my shape mapped out, I'm going to go in with some liquid lipstick. Ding, 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 ding. Ding. And that lip liner is going to kind of act as an underpaint, give it some shadows on the outer corner where you want it so it gives it a little definition and a little bit of an ombre. So we're going in with a pink liquid lip from Morphe. It's in the shade Schoolgirl. So I'm just going over that line, and then I'm going to put a little bit of shimmer on the inside.
Peaches, 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 I love you. Mario, Luigi, and a Donkey Kong too. 1,000 troops of Koopas could.
Got the peach lips going, and I think it's time for the costume. You guys are gonna come with me and do the hair together. I have the earrings, I have the jewels, I have a handmade, very derpy crown. But, go Lena, she made a crown, okay? Give me some props. So I'm gonna do a transition into my shirt, and let's do it Princess Peach vibes. this is the final look. I had so much fun doing this, and it was a little crazy. I was a little skeptic towards the middle of everything and hoping and praying it would turn out right, but I'm so happy with the results and how it turned out. The hair gave me a little bit of trouble, but all I really did, so it looks crazy from the side, don't judge me. I told you I'm a DIY queen. I pinned it up in a little rubber band and then just pulled it up here and then had the rest fall down, and then I just kind of pinned it in, so from the front, can't even tell. Oh, and also I lash glued it to my forehead. If that's not inventive, I don't know what is. Or maybe some people are thinking opposite, but whatever. I got it done. I'm really happy with the result. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial makeup get ready with me, please leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. It really does mean the world to me, and it really does help me out a lot. I'm trying to grow my channel, so if you guys could help and support that, that would be amazing. You guys have been perfect, and I'm so happy you watched this video. Please make sure to stay tuned for the next one. I have some crazy creative ideas coming up, so please make sure to stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Peaches, 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 I